So what's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get Topaz for Photoshop for free. You have to open your browser and the link will be given in the description. Click on that, it will take you to the site where the Topaz you're going to be downloading from. It will take some seconds. Yeah, so now here, go to the site. Go here and type Topaz. It is the first you have to click. And here you're gonna be getting every settings and the plugins, all the plugins which you will get after downloading this. Here are all the plugins, images, results. I can show you. Everything you can find here about your laptop, if it will it work in your laptop or PC or not, compatibility, everything you can get in this section. How much RAM required and all that, 32-bit or 64-bit, you don't have to worry for that because it's off for both. And click on download here. Just wait for access, it will start the download automatically. That's so easy. Just wait a few seconds. I'm gonna be click on cancel because I've already downloaded this. I'm gonna show you where it is. You're gonna be needing RAR file for this, so you have to download RAR WinRAR for this because we have to extract this. Here it is. I extracted this. This is the folder. In this I got this for Mac and for Windows. Whichever you are using, extract it. I'm using Windows, so I extracted the Windows. Here is the setup, and in which in this you get the key to crack. It's giving some error because of my Windows dependent system. If you're getting this error, you just have to follow the steps which I will show you now. Search Windows, Defender. You can see I'm having Defender. I just don't know, it's working slow. Maybe my computer, my RAM's having a burden on it because of my music making and other files. You have to click on here, wireless and brand protection, turn it off. So yeah, it's done. Open. You have to click on generate. Here, when you will open an image in that Topaz or Photoshop, you click on Topaz. It will ask you for a key. Then you have to come here, click on keygen, and then generate key, copy, and paste it there. That's it. That's it. You are done, and you have the Topaz for free on your laptop for Photoshop to make your images look better. Thanks guys, subscribe my channel, like my video.